Hello guys and welcome to best memes I found on TikTok. I upload every Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. Like and subscribe now. Enjoy the video.
The boy who lived. Come to die.
Shall I like who?
Please just hear me out, please!
Hot digging dog. This place is magnificent.
Get out of here, Chop. Back home.
Oh, nigga don't hate me because I'm beautiful.
Ramps.
We can use these as ramps.
No shit.
It's kinda annoying to travel back from the farm every time. But yeah, you gotta do what you... What is it?
You're my friend now. We're having soft tacos later.
Ready?
Yeah.
Get ready.
It worked.
It did. Don't fuck with me, Mark. I have the power of God and anime on my side. Ah!
Get down, Mr. President!
Stop! You violated the law. It's been too long since I've seen a good brawl. I'm just warming up, you pathetic worm! Remember the Emperor!
What if he doesn't have a mom?
That's even worse.
Bro, you're scaring the hoes.
But that's not the best part. The cherry blossoms! The cherry blossoms are frogs! Pink frog! Lego! Damn you! Damn you and your adorable frogs! Bonsai!
Bob,
What?
help me!
Sorry, I was just staring at this bird over there.
Can't keep your eyes open?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's okay, buddy.
Yeah.
If you want to go to sleep, I can... You go ahead, go to sleep.
I forgive you.
Dude, what the fuck? Look at this fucking icicle, bro. Holy shit.
What are you doing?
Hot diggity dog. This place is mad.
Remember, at one point we've all kicked a pregnant woman. Until we meet again!
Fitness challenge. Go for a walk every time you get horny.
I had run for 3 years, 2 months, 14 days, and 16 hours.
Dale. Dale.
First of all, you put on your get-in helmet.
Boing, 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 boing. Boing your cheek. Come here. No, no. Pass me the wine.
Last night, the first date went great. She like literally took my cock and balls and twisted it into a balloon poodle, dude. Like.
Never should have come here.
I mean, who does that? Have you ever stolen anyone's children? Huh? Have you? I mean, you look like you would.
Sin City was a navy.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
来，冰壶，等一下，我也喝了。
Okay, we all go together or we go one at a time.
Yeah! Hardcore, parkour!
Hardcore! I'm right behind you, Andy! Come on! Yeah! Hardcore.
Man, you ain't even had to do me like that, pimp. You ain't even had to do me like. Hey, this man Hey, this man just. I don't want to do this no more.
Yep, it's a pretty fucked up looking dog.
That's right. Oida.
so loud. Please don't.
Yeah, we did that, yeah. Yeah, that was us. How do you know my ex-wife?
Sir, if you have a complaint, I suggest you submit it through our email system. I would be happy to refer you to our website.
You are done. Fired.
Hey, Jerry, you might want to check this one out. Palomar just picked it up. Looks like some type of UFO, and it's heading this way.
How many times do I have to tell you this? UFOs don't exist, and we're never gonna see...
Wow. Its energy signature is massive.
Holy Cheez-Its! What do we do? No one ever told us what to do. The only reason I took the job is because you never have to do anything!
Oh my god! Oh my god! What the fuck happened?
What took you so long?
Oh, here's something. You can be the boom operator.
I thought Sandy was the boom operator.
Did somebody say boom?
Hey, a letter! I have friends! Oh, that's not a letter, that's a threat.
You've been very drunk for the last hour.
Me or you?
You.
Shit's caught, bitch.
Oh, here's something. You can be the boom operator.
I thought Sandy was the boom operator.
Did somebody say boom?
Step up on the scale here, please.
Oh, okay, Doc. Alright.
Damn!
How you doing, man?
Thanks, dude.
Yeah, no worries.
Do you care to pay your respects?
Holy crap! You are creepy as shit.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and have a good day.